everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related, specifically luxury skincare, luxury items, girl, you name it, I love it. And today I am so excited to be doing this luxury skincare haul. You guys, I'm a luxury skincare addict. Hi, my name is Morgan, and then I'm the luxury skincare addict. Anyway, you guys, 2021 is right around the corner, and 2020 is finally leaving. I cannot wait, and I'm starting the new year off with some really luxe skincare products, so let's get started on this amazing haul I have for you guys today. All right. First product that I want to talk to you guys about is, I'm going to go right in with my Drunk Elephant Slaai Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser to melt and nourish Kiwi Seed Blend by Drunk Elephant right here. You guys know I'm a big fan of double cleansing. I love, love, love the Tatcha Camilla Cleansing Oil. I love, love, love the Clinique Cleansing Balm, and I used mostly all of them. I actually went through 2 bottles of the Tatcha Camilla Cleansing Oil, and I'm almost done with the Clinique Cleansing Balm. Both great products. Then I had to sink my little claws into this one. And so far, our relationship has been a little rocky, but I'm gonna save it for a different video. So far, she's nourishing all right. Okay, so moving on. Thank you, Drunk Elephant. Next, I'm so bald, aren't I? Like I can. Next, I'm gonna go in with a body cream, and it is by none other than Beekman 1802, their fragrance-free whipped body cream, pure goat milk with 8 fluid ounces right here. You guys, I'm a fan of Beekman. Like, I'm not even kidding. I have a separate video on the Beekman Body Butter Pot of Golds. I really enjoyed this, and this is fantastic for your body. I personally don't like a lot of fragrance in my body products, especially for like my legs and everything. And this just makes my skin so hydrated and soft and smooth. It's not sticky, it's not heavy, it's not like very transferable. It's honestly just gives your, like, leaves like this silky, not even silky, like this beautiful soft veil over your skin, and I love it. It's very gentle, and I'm a big fan of this new body cream. Right now it's competing with, you guys already know, the Ultra Repair body butter. This is a small version I have of it for my hands, but this is like my gold standard body product. This First Aid Beauty is what Beekman 1802 is competing with in my skincare lineup for body products. So far, honestly, this has been giving First Aid Beauty a run for its money, and I'm really, really liking it. Also, you guys, everything that I show you guys today, I'm going to link down below for you guys if you guys want to purchase it or not. I do make a minor commission, but I would be promoting these products either way, as I always have in the past. Next, I am going to show you guys, I got a advanced retinol treatment serum by this brand called Lancer right here. You guys, I was in the market for a good night serum, especially with retinol. When I do use my retinols, I'm always typically using them at night, and I'm kind of getting sick of using my Drunk Elephant, even though it's amazing. The Apasiani retinol cream is amazing and very, very high up there in the percentage of retinol. I just wanted to switch things up and try out a new serum. I've been promoting the Drunk Elephant Apasiani cream now for over 2 years. I think it's still fantastic, but I really needed a new specific nighttime serum. You guys know I love my hyaluronic acids and my vitamin C's in the morning, and I love my retinols at night, and the most expensive products that I own. Its texture is similar to the Apasiani cream, which I like. And I don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing, but I haven't gotten that retinol irritation yet from it, which to me, you know, the reason why I say I don't know if it's good or not is because retinol is kind of made to irritate your skin, to kind of get rid of those bad, like those excess bad skin cells for cell renewal. So that's why retinol is kind of designed to give you some irritation. I'm not receiving any irritation yet. So it's good and it's bad. You know what I mean? Like if you're super sensitive skin and you want to get into retinol, so far I'd recommend it. Again, all these products are so new to me, I can't really give a full review. You do get 1.0 fluid ounces, and they are made in Beverly Hills, California. And so far, this has been a great night cream, and I think it's a great alternative to the Drunk Elephant Apasiani Retinol Cream. Next products I want to talk to you guys about, and I'm so excited to be part of this brand, and I'm so new to this brand, is the SK2. Ski, I may be saying this wrong, but I did end up getting the holiday package by this brand right here. I did recommend it in another one of my videos, and I was secretly hoping to get it, and I got it, and I was so happy to have done that, because I believe it came in a gift set for like $110. It's their Pitera graffiti line. So in it, I get a sample size facial treatment cleanser. I have not opened this. I have not tried it. I've been really loving my La Prairie, so I'm not in a hurry to quick switch over to this. I'm still really trying to give La Prairie cleanser a good test, and I won't use any other skincare products when I'm testing one very vigorously, but can't wait to try it. I have used the R.N.A. Power Radical New Age once. I've used this once. I liked it. Didn't really blow me away. I liked it. I will be doing a separate video on it. I've used it once. It didn't quake me, but who knows? That's very new. But the biggest, I honestly think the most popular product SK2 sells is their facial treatment essence, their Pitera line right here. This is the product that I feel like everybody thinks of when they think of SK2. At least I can say for me, because also I just want to let you guys know this is a Japanese beauty brand, and I just remember when Tatcha, which is another Japanese beauty brand, came on the market, that was super popular, and then SK2 started really getting popular, and they both had these amazing essences. Now, I know a lot of people relate essence to K-beauty, which I get, but I first learned of essence from Tatcha and this brand. So I'm gonna give them the credit for like the essence, like trend, if that's what you want to call it, or the essence knowledge. This is a very expensive essence, so is Tatcha. I can do a comparing video, just let me know if you want to see it, but I'm very new to this. So far, I have to say I've been using this every night since I got it, which is not long, but I really, really, really like it. Like, I'm surprised how much I really, really like it, but the reviews were pretty accurate of it. That's all I'm gonna say. That's a hint. If you wanna know how this works, go check out the reviews. It makes my skin baby soft. Baby soft. Like, wow, I didn't even know an essence could be this good. In the essence world, I've been using the La Mer, the treatment lotion, as more of an essence. That's more of a hybrid though, so I don't wanna say too much. Like, I've just been using it as an essence, but it does not compare to this product at all. I'm gonna stick with this one. Glass packaging, superb. You get 2.5 fluid ounces. It's expensive. I'm just gonna give you guys a heads up. It's pricey, but so far for an essence, I've been loving it. Loving it, loving it, loving it. And I can't wait to keep using it. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. I just love luxury skincare. I did get the OLEHENRIKSEN Fat Glow Facial mask right here. I have been using this. It is a PHA and Nordic Birch Sap mask. Okay, so I've been using this as like a chemical exfoliation type mask. So when I use this, I don't mix it with the Lancer. So I honestly, when I'm using retinols and AHAs or PHAs, I will pick one or the other. So tonight I'm going to go in with this mask, and I'm going to skip my retinol because I don't want to cause too much irritation to my skin. I've been loving this. I love it. It's got like a really cool pumper. I'm not gonna put it out on my hand just because, like, I don't want to waste these products. These are pretty expensive. I love it. I really think it makes my skin look really, really nice after use. It's got a kind of an odd texture, an odd concept. It comes out pink, then it turns to white, and then you rinse it off. It makes the texture of my skin super, super nice, and I think a lot of people would really, really like this, and I've been really, really enjoying this. I was in the market for a new mask. I really was. I was like, I need something new. I want to get it poppin'. The products that I buy, I end up keeping for so long, and I most of the time use them to completion. I know a lot of influencers that don't use their products to completion because they're reviewing so much, but the products that I truly, truly love, I use them to completion and I usually have them for a very long time. And it does take a long time to finish these products. So that being said, don't feel like you need a ton of products, because that's not the case. I just do my YouTube videos. I like to review things for you guys, so I'm always trying to find the best new products for you. But if you find a skincare product that you really, really, really love, hang on to it, use it, wait till it's over, and see if you want to repurchase it or not. The next products that I got, and I'm super happy, Cirem did send me 2 more products. It's the Cirem luxury skincare brand that's made in Beverly Hills. I do have a separate video on these as well. Very happy with this brand. I really, really like their products. I think they're quality. So I do like to promote them on my channel as much as I can because I believe in them. So this is the Cirem Flawlessly Floral Rose and Lavender Eye Cream right here. They did ask me what other products I wanted to try from their line, and I did choose these 2 because I was really intrigued with their lavender eye cream. I think it's great. I don't see a lot of products with lavender in it, and it just really intrigues me, and they're made right in the USA. They're clean cosmetics. I'm very happy with this eye cream so far. You do get a lot of it, and how much is in here? 0.5 fluid ounces, that's standard for an eye cream. Really, really love it. Then of course I have the Rose Hydrating Face Mist right here. You guys know I'm a sucker for face mists. I love them. And I've just been using this as my face mist. Obviously, I've already used this much of it and I've been enjoying it. Yes, it's my last product. Okay, you guys, yes, super proud of this haul, by the way. Love this haul. And it's like kind of like the grand finale. So you guys know I've been like kind of missing Sisley Paris products, right? So I am very blessed to have their Velvet Nourishing Cream with Saffron Flowers right here. Oh my God, I've used it twice only. Its texture is insane. Its texture and the way it hydrates my skin is insane and gorgeous and beautiful and like, wow, I was blown away at first use. I really, really like this cream. I've only used it twice, but it's already giving me this like reaction of like, oh my God, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed, girl. I love it. Like, is this gonna blow the Sisley Paris Black Rose collection away from me? I don't know, time will tell, but you guys, I am using this as a daytime moisturizer because I'm just that bitch. Like, I'm just that girl. I love a good La Prairie, a La Mer at night, and then I'm gonna hit it with the Sisley in the day. And wow, I just can't wait to see how my skin looks. I really can't. Okay, so you guys might be wondering, where's the La Mer? Where is the La Mer? Like, why isn't she showing any new La Mer products? You guys, I have almost the whole La Mer line. Like, I'm not even kidding. I love La Mer so much, I achieved such La Mer amazingness that I'm starting to decorate my home with the empty jars. Insert this. Okay, like and also I have floating shelves going on in my hallway right now, and on the floating shelves are La Mer packaging. Like, don't get it twisted. Your girl still loves her La Mer. I just think I have a little bit of a Miracle Broth problem. Is Miracle Broth addictive? Like, seriously, La Mer, is there something in that magical Miracle Broth, girl, that you have me decorating my house, dousing my whole body in it? Like, girl. But you guys, the goal for me is, you guys know my favorite skincare brand is La Mer. Still, nobody's beating it yet. Even luxury skincare brands that are kind of as expensive and well known as them still are not beating that brand for me. La Mer is at my heart at all times. However, because I'm getting so into these reviews for you guys, and I'm getting more and more passionate about my love for YouTube and the relationships that I'm gaining with you guys, and just the amount of fun that I'm having, I really am trying to dabble in other products because I think it's a really nice idea to also compare these luxury skincare brands for you guys and get to know all of them. And what I also want to say is, if you notice, luxury skincare brands are from all over the world, right? So in this lineup, I have, French skincare, I have Japanese skincare, I have skincare made right in the US, right? And I think all of these brands all have different concepts of the way skincare works. So when you're buying these products, you're kind of buying a piece of their culture and their beauty ideals and how they like to nourish their skin. So I think when I do these hauls, part of what I love so much about them is it's kind of like skincare just from around the world, and I feel like I'm getting a cultural experience in some weird way. So I did want to just let you guys know that's another reason why I try all these different brands. If you haven't done so already, subscribe down below, comment on this video, say hello, let me know your favorite luxury skincare brands, your favorite luxury skincare products. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm always posting new products, how it's going, very active in my stories, and I'm always posting my new routines as well as outfits throughout the week. You guys, I love you. Stay luxe, stay hydrated, always keep an open mind, and always keep learning. Love you guys. Bye.